Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how I went from earning $0 to over $46,000 in 2 months using the model of affiliate marketing. Let's dig in. Hello, my name is Adriana Villegas. I've been working full-time from home for the past 5 years using the model of affiliate marketing. And if you are new, welcome. If you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and click on to turn on all the notifications so that you get notified every single time I upload a video. And my mission is to show you, right, my exact strategies that help me quit my 2 9-to-5 jobs. So let's dig right in. And as you can see right here, this is my merchant account. That's my name up here. And scrolling down below here, you can see I was able to earn over $46,000 without using any paid ads. And so I'm going to share with you exactly what is affiliate marketing and how you can become part of this opportunity. And I'm super excited. Let's go ahead and get right into it. And as you can see right here, so what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is very simple. I'm going to show you here just with a couple of different drawings. But affiliate marketing is when you find a high converting product, and this product can be a digital product, okay, or it can be a physical product. One of the most known companies that has an affiliate program is Amazon. So how affiliate marketing works, okay, it could be a physical product or a digital product, okay. So how affiliate marketing works, you partner up with a product or a company or a person that already has created a product. When you could join them, they give you a link, a website link that is coded only to you. And your job is to drive traffic, drive interested people to come and take a look at the products. Once they click on your link and they purchase through your website link, the company or the creator of the product allows you to earn a certain percentage of the commission. And why do I think this is the most simplest way of making money online, of making money from anywhere in the world, is because you don't have to worry about creating a product, right? That's a ton of headache trying to come up with something that people really want, okay? The only thing you need to do is find a high converting offer, find a product, whether if it's a digital product or physical, right, that it's on high demand, that people are searching for. And so now you might be asking, what exactly are you offering, right, to your audience that allowed you to make over $46,000 in just 2 months? I'm going to share with you exactly what this is. And a lot of people ask me, Adriana, do you have to have experience with this opportunity? You don't have to have experience, because I show you exactly step by step my strategies that I use, right, to create these type of results, so that you can start learning and applying it and start creating results within your business. Now, I'm not guaranteeing you that you're going to make 46K in 2 months, right? But I'm just sharing you this to show you what is possible. This is the model of this opportunity, okay? You can earn unlimited $300 commissions by copying and pasting my 6-figure blueprint. Now, what does this mean? Okay. Once you join the team, you're going to get all the tools necessary that you need. You're going to get the step-by-step training, okay, that I'm going to give you access to, where I'm going to show you how you can start creating results in 3 simple steps. How does this work? This is how it works. Step number 1, you get started, right? You make a decision, you make a commitment that you want to create results, that you want to become successful with affiliate marketing. You want to be able to earn income, right? Be able to travel, be able to spend more time with your family. If your goal is to quit your 9-to-5 job, affiliate marketing gives you that potential, right? Step number 1 is getting started. Join one of the levels to get access to your product and your step-by-step digital training, okay? Step number 2 is gonna start posting ads on social media, okay? And we show you exactly where and how to start posting ads on social media to drive tons of traffic to your offer. And step number 3, okay, when somebody clicks on your website link, they purchase one of the products, you start collecting 100% of the commissions. And the really awesome thing with affiliate marketing in this program is that you get to choose how you want to get paid, right? This is a global opportunity. If you want to get paid through PayPal, you can use that. If you want to use Cash App or Venmo or Zelle or any other payment processor, you can use that to start receiving your payments. And the really cool thing is that you don't have to you don't have to wait every 2 weeks to get paid. You can, when you get paid instantly, okay, you receive that same day. So that's really awesome. As you can see right here, we have over 4,000 members that are interested in affiliate marketing. You could see people welcoming new team members. This team member just yesterday made another $300 commission, as you could see. You can see another person here inviting a new team member. So we definitely are building a community of entrepreneurs. You can see this person right here made a $300 commission and $20,000 generated in the last couple of months. So that is awesome. As you can see, once you enter your email address on the website that I just stated, infinityprocessingsystem.info, you can request to be added to the group. This is our community group where you can take a look at the free training, which is right here on the top of the group, where one of my team members is going to share with you his formula on how he generated over $20,000 with this opportunity, the Infinity Processing System. And so that was this is actually a couple of months ago when we did this live, coaching session. But now it's April. He already crossed over $30,000 with this opportunity. So if you want to learn how you can become part of this opportunity, go ahead and get started with the team, visit the website, and then request to be added to this group so you can take a look at this specific free training. Again, it's super important that when you request the Facebook group, you do answer the questions. That's the only way that you're going to get approved, just to make sure that you are a qualified person to work with us inside of this amazing opportunity. Go ahead and take action today. And other than that, I will see you at the top.